All right. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so in this presentation, we want to look at sets, matrices, vectors, and sequences and series, AP. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Shade the region P intersection R complement intersection Q on the Venn diagram. So the best that you can do, there are a lot of methods, but I think this could be one of the best or one of the commonly used methods. You can label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So what you can do is find the R complement, all right? So what is R complement? Yeah, anything that is outside this set. Anything outside this set. Okay, so you have 1, you have 2, you have 7, then you have 8. Okay. Then you can pick Q, P. What is our P? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we get our Q. What is our Q? 2, 3, 6, and 7. So therefore, we should now select P intersection R complement intersection Q. Okay. So if you look at 1 is not there, is not in Q, so it's not common. 2 is common to all the 3 sets, so we'll pick 2. The next one is 7. 7 is not in P, so we leave it out. Then we have 8. Okay. 8 is not in Q. Neither is it in P, so 8 is not common. Okay. Here, if you look at 3 is not in R, so 3 is not common to the 3 sets. 4 is not found in any of these 2 sets. So the only element that is common to all the 3 sets is 2. Okay. So now here, where there is 2 in this set here, where there is 2, that is where we are supposed to shade, meaning that everything else here is not needed. So apart from where 2 is. So this is where we need to put up our shading only. And that's it. You get your 2 marks. Let's move. We look at question 6. Now, before we look at question 6, well, I've been saying that you can join our online lessons for Form 1, grade 9, all the way to grade 12, and the GCE. So for the GCE, we have a special class, online class, which we are charging only 500 from now, which is March, up to the time you write. Okay, in August, you only pay 500 kwacha on. Please contact us on 0978 56 58 76. Okay, let's proceed. The magnitude of PQ, vector PQ, is 20 units. Given that OP is this vector, OQ it is that, find the positive value of Y. There are a lot of ways of doing it, but maybe to make it easy, maybe first let's know what PQ is. Okay, so to find PQ, so we must move from P to O, because we have OQ, so we are dealing with position vectors. So PO plus OQ. Why? The first one here, this letter here, and the last one, when you combine them, must give you this. Okay? So what does this mean? PQ is equal to, what is our PO? Here what we have is OP, but here I'm talking about PO. So these are opposite. So because of being opposite, I'll introduce negatives to these numbers in this matrix. So I'll have -5, 0, you can't have -0, plus, what is our OQ? Our OQ is 17. Why? This one we are following the direction. There's no problem. So PQ is equal to, what is -12, -5 plus 17, that is 12. 0 plus y, this is our y. Now, we want to find the value of y, given that the magnitude of this is equal to 20. Now, what is the magnitude of PQ? The magnitude of PQ, it is given by x squared plus y squared. And that this is equal to what? 20. So we will imply that our x here is 12, our y will remain as y. So we have got 12 squared plus y squared is equal to 20. But there is a square root here. So to get rid of the square root, you multiply both sides by, you raise it to power 2 in short. Okay? So the power 2 and this one will cancel. So we have got 12 squared plus y squared is equal to 20 squared. So this will imply that we have y squared is equal to 20 squared is 400 minus 12 squared is 144. So therefore, y squared is equal to 400 minus 144, 256. So you get the square root both sides. Y is equal to plus or minus 16. But now the question is saying we should maintain the positive value. So y is c. Find the positive value of y. So y is 16. Let's look at the next question. Given that matrix A is as given here and B is that, find A transpose. So A, we transpose A. So we make this row become a column 4, 5. Then this one would be 1, 1. And this is your solution. So A transpose is 4, 5, 1, 1. Then B, find the X if AB is this. So AB, they are saying is equal to what? 10, 4, 2, 1. Now, what is AB? AB is A times B. So what is our A? Our A is 4, 1, 5, 1 times, what is our B? X minus 1, 2, 1, 0. And that this must be equal to 10, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So what does this mean? You multiply row by column, meaning that you multiply 4 by x minus 1, then plus 5 by 2. Then it is this. So 4 by x minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Then we shift our attention now to this one. So to be 4 by 1, 4 by 1, or we can maintain our brackets here, plus 5 by 0. 5 by 0. Okay, good. Then next, we go to the second row here. So 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Then to be 1 by 1, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 0. And that this is equal to 10, 4, 2, 1. Now, if these are equal, it means this one is equal to that. That's what it means. Then this, when you add, it must be equal to that. Then also this one must be equal to 2. And finally, this must be equal to that. What it means. So we can just pick one pair, okay? Well, they are the same. So I can pick I can pick 1 times x minus 1 plus 1 times 2. The answer must be equal to 2. 1 by x minus 1 is x minus 1 plus 2. This is equal to 2. Therefore, we have x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore, x is equal to 0 plus 1, which simply means x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So that's it. X is 1. So when you put 1 here, it will be 1 minus 1. It will be what? 0. 0 by 1, 0. 0 plus 2 will be this 2. Okay, that's it. Join our GCE lessons. Can't afford to miss at only 500 kwacha, the entire package, the entire syllabus. Okay. Now, given that 99, this is like our first term, then 92, this is our second term, and 85, this is our third term, are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression. Find the 60th term. You can keep on reducing the numbers up to the 60th term. But to do that, we can easily use a formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. So what is our first term? 99 plus. In this case, what is our n? It is the position whose value we want to find. And in this case, we want to find the value of the 60th position. So it will be 6 minus 1 times. What is the common difference? So for an AP, D is found by saying T2 minus T1. So what is our T2? 92 minus our T1, 99. What do we get? -7. So they are reducing, in other words, they are adding a -7 or reducing by 7. So here we have -7. All right. So you have now 99 plus 5 times -7. 99. What is +5 by -7? That is the 35. What do we get? Get 64. You don't have a calculator, mind you. So 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 3, that is 6. So this will be 64. The next question is find the nth term. It's general. In other words, we want the formula for the nth term. So what's the formula? So for B, we'll say Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. This is a general formula for all AP. But now we want a formula that will be specific to this one. So we are going to do the substitution. Tn is equal to our first term will remain as 99 plus. Since we are not interested in any particular position, we'll maintain our n minus 1 times our common difference is -5. So Tn is equal to 99. Now, you can begin to distribute this negative to this. So -5 by n, -5n. Then -5 by 1, that is +5. So what does it mean? So Tn will be equal to 99 99 plus 5 minus 5n. So Tn is equal to 104 minus 5n. This is our general solution. All right, that's where we end for this presentation. Please contact us on 0979 67 3809 0978 56 58 76. Till next time, God bless. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.